Imagine a place where people live beyond 100, not in silence or sickness, but with energy, laughter, and purpose. Welcome to Okinawa, Japan. What's their secret? It's a word, small, powerful, and almost poetic. Ikigai. Your reason for waking up every morning. But here's the twist. You already have it. You just haven't met it yet. In today's video, we'll journey through the best-selling book Ikigai by Héctor García and Francesc Miralles. Not as a lecture, but as a story, your story. Meet Alex, a 42-year-old graphic designer in Chicago. He's great at what he does, but he's tired. Sunday feels anxious, Monday feels meaningless. Until one day, at a second-hand bookstore, he stumbles upon a little blue book titled Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. He reads, "Those who discover their Ikigai have everything, even if they have little else." That night, he begins a quiet journey, inward. Ikigai, Shenki Jiafei, Ti Iki, life, plus Gai, worth. It's not just about passion. It's the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. In Japan, you don't retire. You continue living with purpose. In Okinawa, even centenarians garden, teach, or play music. Ikigai isn't a job, it's a lifestyle, a quiet joy, a flow state, a reason to keep moving. As Alex flips through the chapters, he notes down the 10 golden rules of Ikigai. Stay active, don't retire. Take it slow, don't fill your stomach. Harahachi Bu, eat until you're 80% full. Surround yourself with good friends. Get in shape for your next birthday. Smile and acknowledge others. Reconnect with nature. Be grateful. Live in the moment. Find your purpose. And these weren't motivational fluff. They were observed in people who lived beyond 100 with energy and clarity. Back to Alex. He remembers the times he felt truly alive, sketching comic characters as a teen, teaching kids, hiking without his phone. He starts doing more of that, little by little. No grand life change, no quitting job, just reorienting his compass. Ikigai is often small, quiet, and consistent, not flashy or viral. It's waking up early to write, tending to a bonsai tree, volunteering, teaching, fixing things, or simply being present. And in that slow return to self, Alex begins to heal. Okinawans believe in moai, a lifelong circle of friends who support each other physically, emotionally, and financially. They also practice gentle daily movement like Tai Chi or gardening, natural diets rich in plants, tofu, and tea, connection, gratitude, and laughter. No gym memberships, no 5 a.m. hustles, just rhythm, relationships, and reason. Alex didn't move to Japan. He didn't quit his job, but he changed how he showed up each day. He found his Ikigai not in reinvention, but in remembrance. So, what's your Ikigai? Is it hidden in your childhood joy, in the work you do without watching the clock, or in the silence you've been ignoring? Like, comment, and subscribe if this story resonated with you, and tell us below, what's one thing you'd wake up for, even if you weren't paid to do it?